Hello guys, this is Sagar from Technosaurus and I am going to show you the unbox video for HTC Desire 816G. So I got this from Amazon for a price of 15,399 INR. So let's unbox it. So let's keep this aside. So this is the HTC Desire 816G. The packaging is pretty decent, like every HTC phone packaging, rounded corners, and it says 5.5 HD display, 5 megapixel selfie camera, 13 megapixel rear camera, which is quite good for this price. And yes, this much. So we'll unbox this phone. So now time to open the box. So here stands the huge HTC Desire 816G. So let's keep this aside for a moment and see what's in the box. Packaging is good, as I said, simple. We got the charging power box here, the earplugs and the USB cord, the user manuals and some warranty cards. So let's take a look at the phone. It is a quite decent phone, looks pretty good. Huge 5.5 display, and the back it got the HTC logo here, like 816, the HTC Desire 816, and its looks are exactly similar to HTC Desire 816. We got the 13 megapixel camera here and the LED flash, and the 3.5 mm audio jack, the microphone, the speakers are quite good, and on the left hand side actually we got the power button, the volume tray and the USB jack, and here is the tray in which we can actually keep the SIM cards and the micro USB. So this is the micro USB jack, micro SD jack, sorry, the SIM 1 and the SIM 2. SIM 1 supports 3G, whereas SIM 2 supports 2G.